Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Abdul Hiroshi, and now I want to share my knowledge about making an app with Kodular. So the first, what is Kodular? Kodular is a platform where you can create simple app, and it's easy to use. And this is one of example that today we will make. Okay, first you see in the home screen there is three options: create project, import project, and sort by. So first you click the create project. And then today we want to make the app name is name card. So just write name card app. Next, in the second screen, the app name, just use the same name card app. The same default package name primary. You can, for the primary and the color you can customize yourself, but for now we just use this, and then click finish. Okay, so in this screen there is many things. So it's name card, online name card that will show your identity, such as your name, your education, birth date, email or Instagram account, your project, your experience, and others. And it's very useful for you if you don't have a card printer but you want to get hired from the company. Okay, for this, first there is some some feature like UI, layout, media, drawing, animation, map, sensors, and all until the extension. And also Kodular also support Lego Mindstorm. Okay, first in UI, UI option is an option that contain button, image, text, list, and other. And for now we just use two menu, user interface and layout. We usually use card view, horizontal arrangement, space, and many other. Okay, and in this screen, you click the screen, you can you can change the color, change the title in here, name card, and then you can also change the color background. Maybe use this. Wait, in here maybe we use this. And then there is show option menu. Show option menu is for the three dot, and status bar is for the battery. Okay, first this in the align horizontal and vertical, you change all to center. And then in here you add card view. In the layout, you insert card view, just drag and drop in the screen. Okay, for the card view, you change align horizontal and center, and vertical to the center. For the corner radius, you change to 20, and for the elevation, change to 10. So the elevation is a feature that make you can see like there is a shadow and other. And for content padding from bottom to top, you just make it same. For the height, you change to 80%. And for the width, you change to 90%. In here, you can also change the color, and you can also give a stroke. Example like this, and then you can also change the color, but it's up to you want to use or not, and it's also up to you if you want to change the color or not. Okay, and before you make the application, make sure you already download the asset, like the image, your face image, your fonts, maybe if you want to add fonts, and just the two. And also in Codular there is some fonts that not support for number, so you can just make it different from the title like this and the number. Okay, and then in the card view you insert image, this insert image, and then for the height you change to 105 pixel, and for width you change to 105 pixel, and then you choose the picture of you yourself. So how to insert is you click the image button on top and upload asset, or you can just drag files. Wait, search our image. For example, this. Okay, and if already uploaded, we go to the picture and choose the avatar. Okay, and then after the image, we go to layout, general, and add space. So space, the function of space, that you can use it for an invisible divider or space for your element. For the base, the height is 1%, and for the width, just automatic. After the space, we go to UI again and input label in under the space. For the label, you change the font size to 19 or 20, and then the width fill parent, and don't forget text alignment to the center, and then text your name, type your name like me, like this, and then we duplicate this space, and put it under the label. Okay, then after that we duplicate the text and put under the second space, change the font size to 15, and write your school name or your status like GHS student at blah blah blah, and then you can also click the font bold so that it can see clearly, And then after that you add space again. Go to layout, general, and add space below the text or status text. For the space, the height is 3% and the width is automatic. And then after that you add horizontal arrangement, still in layout, still in general. Add horizontal arrangement under the third space. So horizontal arrangement is a feature that let you make how to say row like row for your element like this. So it's okay. And then for horizontal arrangement also change to center. The width is fill parent, and then in the horizontal arrangement we input image, and then we upload a set again. Wait. And then you drag. Okay, and then for the image, the height and the width is 25 pixel, and the picture is the calendar. And then you add space again, space beside the calendar icon. Okay, the space, the height automatic, and the width is 2%. After that you add label, the font size is 15, and the text alignment center. In here you can type your birth date, and the width is changed to 50%. And after that you can duplicate the horizontal arrangement. Wait. Yeah, and then you search icon your email. Wait. Okay, and then we download. And change the image to another image and set the label to your email. Okay, and then after that you add space again under the second horizontal arrangement, and the height is 4%. After that you insert horizontal arrangement again under the space, and you make the height 9% and the width 80%, and align horizontal and vertical to the center. Okay, for the last thing it's a little complicated. So first in layout you search vertical arrangement input, and then height horizontal and vertical to the center. After that you input two label. In UI you input two label. For the first, the label is maybe projects, and then font size to 14. Okay, and then after that you click font bold and duplicate the text, and you change to 99 plus maybe, yeah. Plus, then you add space beside the first vertical arrangement, and for the space change the width to 6%. Then you can just duplicate the vertical arrangement and move beside the space and do it once again. Okay, for the second vertical arrangement, wait, for the second vertical arrangement, you change to achievement, and the second change to 70 plus or anything you suggest, and the last experience, and change to 9 plus. Okay, so overall all done in here. You can explore it by yourself, and maybe for this time just that. Shukron. My name is Muhammad Epin Fani Roshi. I'm signing off. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.